Home is where the heart is. Here, we are creating an intimate space for homeowner, accord them with privacy, peace, and pleasure being at home. We have thoughtfully designed a decorative wood texture finish wall to enclose and provide extra privacy for the bedrooms. This design compositions at Bidadari HDB finalized in a lengthy and elongated shape as we have separated the spaces into sections, making intimate spaces. The transition from the open concept dining space to the living space sets a visual connection that flows well in this home. Regardless of personal style preference, a good kitchen's layout is essential. In these small kitchens, we have planned a range of storage spaces to hide clutters as well as the kitchen's islands that can be versatile and transforming into other usage. Ensuring smooth flow and space efficiency for the master bedroom and its wardrobe, we have hacked the master bedroom existing wall so that the new wardrobe shares its space with the existing common bedroom to feel more spacious. Having more floor space means homeowners can customize their space to fit their lifestyle.